So I've come out today to see Europe's largest water wheel, and it's not even working. I'm at a place. I'll put the name of the place below. Yeah, a bit of a letdown. It's an old paddle water wheel that the Arabs built back centuries ago, and it's supposed to be working, but it's not working. So if you come in here, guys, on a trip, don't be surprised to be let down. That duck's at it. That duck should be alright. Come on, duck. Do it, ducky. Oh. He's looking at me. There he goes. He's taking flight. Anyway, it's nice to know it's got toilets there, but unfortunately, if you're a woman, they're locked up. But the blokes, thankfully, there's toilets for the blokes. Well, it'd be a bloody maze if it did work. If it did work, it's going to fall off, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's and just to show that we're not doing, there's a broken paddle that's down there. Yeah, it's just been left to go. What a shame. A tourist attraction that's just been left to rot. Even in the picture it's working, but it ain't working now. So we're at the second one. We're not going to go to the other two. Apparently this is the next biggest one. It's fully working. Parking, I thought I could make out of it. You've really got to park in the town and then walk up. There's 4 of them that you can walk around, but we're not doing that. But anyway, it's interesting. Not every day you see a water wheel that's working. I don't know if you can see up there, but that's where the water comes out onto the trough. So it's picking it up as it's going around. Anyway, just to let you know, we come to the second location. I'll put it actually on the bottom of the video to give you an idea, but this one's actually working. I mean, these things can pick up a hell of a lot of water. I'll put all the gumph in the video below. But yeah, these things, and obviously this one, it's nice to see it's fully working. I've got a feeling this is a metal one, but I might be wrong. And of course, all what's turning this is just the water that's coming through it. So I hate to think what weight that wheel must be. This one good thing, you got some English on it. So the one we just come from, which I wouldn't even bother to go and have a look at now, it's 900 metres down that road.